The Dragon Boat Festival is coming, and this is one of the traditional festivals here in China. People will eat zongzi and watch the dragon boat races at the time. Today, I brought a group of international students from Dezhou University here to Wucheng County so they can experience the traditional festival, Dragon Boat Festival. The dragon boats are already lined up. It shows us how powerful people can be when they are working together as one. That spirit of moving forward together is a kind of rawness deeply rooted in Chinese culture. On the table, we have the bamboo leaf, the sticky rice, the red dates, and the cotton strings. Maybe you will think, oh, it looks easy to make such kind of zongzi, but actually, it's really tricky.
提一下，把它再折过去。我不会，我不。
The students are trying to make the zongzi so carefully. They even start to comparing these zongzi with each other.
One, sure. 对的一分。
然后端午节 is for children.
And the word. The zongzi is also our.
Today we're in Wucheng County, and today I attended the Dragon Boat race, and it was so incredible. I learned a lot about China and China's culture about dragon boat racing, and the members of the racing was so active. We had a lot of fun. Thank you so much.
And today we are in Wucheng County, and today we had a lot of competition and activities, and we learned Chinese cultures, and this place very beautiful, and nature and people around us is very friendly and kind, and thank you so much.